right, good morning, second grade students. Today for math, you watched the video for lesson 3, which was on adding and subtracting multiples of 10 and some ones within 100. So for our worksheet today, we're going to be focusing on 2 problems. So for number 1, it says solve using the arrow way. And it says the first set is done for you. So they were nice enough to do this first set here to kind of show us how to do these other problems. So let's look at B. So B, we have 3 different parts to it. So let's look at this top one first. So we have 56 plus 40 equals something. And remember they said they want us to use the arrow way like they did over here. So we're going to start off with writing 56, and now it's telling us that we're going to add 40. So we're going to draw our arrow and put plus 40. And then we're going to just add these 2 numbers together to get our answer. So 5 plus 4 gives us 9, and 6 plus 0 gives us 6. So 56 plus 40 gives us 96. All right, so now let's focus on our next one. So we have 56 plus 41. So this time we're going to do 56, and then again we're adding. So we're going to do like what we did up here. We're going to add 40 first, so plus 40. So we know that's going to give us the same answer as here. So we're going to have 96. But remember, we're adding 41, and we only added 40. So now we still have to add on 1 more. So now we're going to do 96 plus 1 gives us 97. So we went from 40 to 41. So our answer is 1 more than our answer in our first question. All right, so let's move on to 56 plus 39. So again, we're going to start with writing 56. And this time, we're going to add 40. So we're adding 39, but to make this a little bit easier, we're going to add 40. So now when we add 56 plus 40, we're going to take 5 plus 4, and that gives us 9. And 6 plus 0 gives us 6. So we're back to our 96 as we were up here. But remember, this time we're only adding 39, and we added 40. So this time we need to draw another arrow, but this time we're going to subtract 1. So now 96 minus 1 gives us 95. All right, so now let's take a look at D. We're going to be doing kind of the same thing that we did above. So again, we're going to start with our first number, which is 87. And this time we're taking 87 minus 50. So this one is pretty easy because we have our 10s and we have no 1s. So this one is pretty basic. So we're going to take 50 away. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3. And 7 minus 0 gives us 7. All right, so this time again we notice that we have 1 more. So instead of having 50, we have 51. So this time we're going to take 87. We're going to draw our arrow. We're going to minus 50 to keep it easier to subtract. Now remember, it's the same as what we did above here. So we're going to get the same answer of 37. But we also need to remember that we subtracted 51, not 50. So we have to minus 1 more. So now we're going to take 37 minus 1 to get 36. All right, and let's look at our last one here. So this time we have 87 minus 49. So this time we're one less than 50. But because we want to keep this easy, we're going to subtract 50. It's going to give us, again, the same answer as in both of these. So we're going to write 37. But remember, we were only doing 49. So this time we need to do the opposite of 51, where we subtracted another 1. So this time we subtracted 1 more than we needed to. So this time we're going to do the opposite of subtracting, and we're going to add 1. So our answer is going to give us 38. So if you didn't already notice, in all of these, we had 96, 97, 95. So they were all 1 apart from each other. Just like in the sample ones, they had 87, 88, and 86. And then in our last one, we had 37, 36, and 38. All right, that is our worksheet for lesson 3.